part 2. And we left off with writing the image to the SD card, the RetroPie image to the SD card. And you should be at this point right now. Flash completed, if it was a success. So yeah. Now we can head over to the Pi and set up RetroPie. Alright guys, now's the time to supply power to your Pi and plug in your Pi to your TV. So do that and we'll see what happens. Alright, so far so good. Don't worry about that. Just ignore that. It's a fresh image, so it'll take some time, but not too long. We're here, yes. Yay. So far, so good. Then you will be brought to here. Now, be sure to have a keyboard handy and plug it into one of the USB ports on the Raspberry Pi. So once you have your keyboard and you plugged it into one of the USB ports, just press spacebar on the keyboard, and then this will come up, and just map it accordingly. D-pad up arrow, D-pad down arrow, D-pad left arrow, D-pad right arrow, and for start, I will be using Shift, or press whatever you want, select, I will choose Enter, and then A, space, B, left control, and then it's basically just, that's basically it for basic navigation, because that's basically all we need here. In a future video, I will be showing you guys how you can pair a Bluetooth controller so that you can play your old retro games the way you want. So yeah, first we have to get all this boring stuff out of the way, configuring the keyboard, the controls. Who cares about the keyboard hotkey enable? We don't right now. In a later video, I will tell you why it's important though, but not now. No. Now what we do is we press space, and then what we will do is we will go to, I'm gonna go up to RetroArch, I'm sorry, and we're going to set up Wi-Fi. Then you'll come to here, and what we are going to do now is go to localization options, localization, and then go down here to WLAN country, set legal wireless channels for your country, which is what we want to do, and scroll down, and according to your region, choose it. I live in the US, and it's probably going to be at the bottom because it's in alphabetical order, and this is the only means of navigation, going down. Okay, now go like that. I live in the US, so it's set. Now we can connect to our Wi-Fi network. Now press space and go down to Wi-Fi, and we'll connect to our network. Okay, now you will come to here, And what you will do is connect to Wi-Fi. In my case, it's Wi-Fi. And choose your network. Mine's up here. And then enter in your passcode. Okay, now if everything went accordingly, you should see all your network information here. Your IP address and your wireless access point. And yeah, so yeah, that's the end of part 2. In the next part, we will be installing all the emulators and core packages. See you in part 3.